Get in your truck. Get in your driveway.
Can I do anything to
Please pull forward.
I can't ask a question. I can't.
You're blocking her.
On my property.
It is an emergency when you're barricading someone from doing what they need to do or leaving. How about I barricade you?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story comes out of Lowell, Indiana, where Deja Murphy, an Amazon driver, allegedly sped down a half-mile long driveway to deliver a package. Property owner Keith Miller deputized himself and drove after her, using his truck to block the road, preventing her from leaving. He approached the vehicle, tried to open it, and demanded a driver's license. Murphy called 911, and Officer John Marshall arrived on scene.
Good luck, buddy.
No. Bottom line is, I need your ID.
Sure.
You're going to pull your truck in your driveway.
Yep.
I'm going to get her information. I'm going to do a report, and we're going to go about our day.
I'm going to get my wallet from my office.
Huh?
No,
you're not. You're going to just give me your name and information.
Oh, sure.
I'm not going to.
You want me to write it down for you?
Yeah, I don't need. I'm not spending all day with this. This is ridiculous.
I asked, and we have since put cameras up. I just said,
what's your last name?
Down. Miller, M-I-L-L-E-R.
First name?
Keith, K-E-I-T-H.
Date of birth?
30.
Phone number?
219 60.
Get in your truck. Get in your driveway.
Okay.
Thank you. Contact Amazon. Thank you. Please pull forward.
Can I do anything to
Please pull forward.
I can't ask a question.
We're done.
I can't.
You're blocking her.
On my property. On my property,
It's called criminal confinement.
Okay. I'm just asking, can I fill out a police report?
That's what I'm doing right now.
Thank you. That was my only question.
Now. Thank you. Appreciate it. If you have a problem, call Amazon.
Nope.
Pull forward.
I honestly have
Pull forward. There's plenty of places to call Amazon. And if they're speeding on the regular road, then we can do something. Private property, we can't do nothing about it. Put speed bumps up. Call Amazon. Thank you.
Sorry.
Pull forward.
At this point, the officer has mentioned that he has no jurisdiction on private property to enforce traffic laws, but he can still charge Keith with criminal confinement. Indiana Code Title 35, Section 3542.33 states, "A person who knowingly or intentionally confines another person without the other person's consent commits criminal confinement," and the charge is upgraded to a level 5 felony if a vehicle is used.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I need your license.
Okay. And may I ask why you need my license?
Because you called the police, he called the police, and I'm called here. That's why I need your information. That's all the information I need. And he's upset because you were speeding. I told him he couldn't do what he's doing. And you're going to go on your way, and if you have any issues, you and your company can stop delivering here.
Okay.
How's that?
He came to my door. That's what bothered me. He came in my door, opened the door, told me to get the hell out my door. Out the car.
Okay.
That's exactly what he told me.
Okay. No excuse for what he's doing, and I'm upset with him, not you.
Okay, just making sure.
No, I'm not upset with you.
I didn't do anything. I even asked him, can you...
Ma'am, I'm not upset with you whatsoever. I'm upset with him because what he's doing is... I can't explain it.
I do want, because that's harassment.
You know what? Let's stop.
Okay.
We're going to do a report, and we're going to go about our day.
It's harassment, though.
Everything's everything. You know what?
That's harassment.
There'll be a report on file. It'll go through the prosecutor's office.
This is Lake County?
Yes. We'll give you a case number.
Yeah, I want the case number too.
Under Section 3545.2.2 of Indiana Code, harassment is defined as a person who, with the intent to harass, annoy, or alarm another person, but with no intent of legitimate communication, but also requires that it is done by making a telephone call, communicating with a telegraph, or other form of written communication, transmits an obscene message on a citizen radio service channel, or uses a computer network to communicate with a person to transmit an obscene, indecent, or profane message. Based on the complaint, Mr. Miller's actions aren't defined as harassment. However, Section 3545.2-1 of the same criminal code defines intimidation as communicating a threat with the intent that another person be placed in fear of retaliation for a prior lawful act, and Mr. Miller's actions could certainly be described as that.
It'll be on the report, sir.
What's your name?
It'll be on the report. It's Marshall.
Marshall? Okay.
And tell your friend on the phone, I'm not upset with you.
That's my brother.
You know what?
You know where everything's going on? That's the only reason why
Everyone's fine. We're here. I don't need your brother telling me my job and what we need to do.
I'm right here, Kylie.
I think you need to get a hold of your supervisor and tell him.
Oh no, I already talked.
Okay.
She was on the phone when all of this
Get hold of your
happened.
supervisor. What's the phone number you can reach that?
219-2380.
Is it a budget runner truck or?
He said to call, but they don't know what exactly was going to happen. But I just texted Luther and asked him if he knew these people's names and what's going on.
There you go. Huh? Because she was speeding down his road.
So it gives him the right to whatever.
No, it doesn't give him the right to do that. I'm going to give you a case number. He's an idiot. Blocking her in, acting silly because she's speeding. Call Amazon. Let me get his plate number off his truck. I still got to give somebody my camera. What's that? Yeah, we'll have her go around us. Alright, ma'am, there's the case number. Go ahead and the report will be on file. And go around our squad cars and go on out. Okay? Have a good day. Report's on file.
I'm going to try and get in touch with Amazon.
And hopefully there's no charges for you doing what you did. Because she wants to press charges.
I'm okay with that.
well, that's fine.
You know.
We'll be the detective bureau. In the future, don't do it. Because we're racing all the way over here.
I did
over
tell her
this.
it wasn't an emergency.
It is an emergency. When you're barricading someone from doing what they need to do or leaving, how about I barricade you? You'd be pretty upset. If I told you you couldn't go somewhere and I wasn't a cop, and I barricaded you in
I knew I did wrong?
If you drove somewhere silly and did something silly, and I barricade you in and tell you you can't leave, whether it's at Walmart, supermarket, wherever, private drive, you'd be pretty hot. Even if you did wrong. You don't do that. If you wanted to call and make a complaint to us, pull in your driveway, call. We'll make a complaint. But you don't
do I just need to call you and give you a plate number?
No, the plate number, it's on private property, for one. If you want to call and complain about it...
That's what I'm asking. How would I do it the right way?
Basically, it's private property.
Okay.
I can't enforce the speed.
Okay.
Okay? On your property.
We can't... Reckless endangerment. None of it matters. It's on my driveway.
It's on your driveway. It's private property.
Okay.
If she hits you, that's one thing.
I'm off the county road, though.
So. It doesn't matter. It's still an accident on private property. We still have to handle it. So quit trying to go around everything I'm trying to tell you with different scenarios. One way or another, it's...
We just keep asking these people to slow down.
Well, they're not. So then you better figure out something else if you want them to slow down, because it's your property. You're the one with a half-mile long driveway. And two of us are racing here, speeding, so we can take care of business over this.
Okay.
When you have Amazon, you can call, or you could call and complain to us, and we could possibly follow through with Amazon. But at the end of the day, it is private property. There is plenty of numbers for Amazon, clearly.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
Considering that the officer saw the offense upon his arrival, he could have arrested Mr. Miller on the spot. Instead, both parties were allowed to leave. The next day, Ms. Murphy filed a citizen complaint against the officer and Mr. Miller. On August 4th, almost 2 months later, and only after being pressured by Ms. Murphy and her attorney, Mr. Miller was charged with criminal confinement where a vehicle is used, basic criminal confinement, and intimidation. At this point, the case is ongoing, with the next hearing set for February 18th. I've reached out to Ms. Murphy for comment and to inquire of a possible civil suit, but I've yet to hear back. If there are any future updates, I'll be sure to let you know. Thanks for watching. If you have an incident you'd like me to review, email it to me, submit it on my website, or through Facebook Messenger. All links are down below. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.